Welcome to another Bibledit desktop instructional video. In this video I just want to show you a little bit about debugging or finding out the cause for a crash, and that might be helpful to you to send a debug report to me or somebody else working on the project in order that we might figure out what's going on with your crash. So one thing is, if you're having trouble, probably the first line of defense is go up to Help menu here and click on System Log. And the system log is an output of all the debugging information that is available inside of Bibledit-Desktop. Now actually what I should do first though is tell you, let's get out of this and let's rerun it here. Bibledit-Desktop. What you might want to do when you're having trouble is run it with this command line flag, either in Linux, or you can add this to your shortcut in Windows, --debug. And run it like this, and then you'll get more debugging information in your system log here, which I show. Again, going back to Help System Log, you'll see a listing of a bunch of directories that the software knows about, and it stores these in a little database inside of itself, and some of these are just utility functions that are there. And then you'll see some warnings from glib or from GTK. Those generally don't have to worry about, although we're trying to get rid of those as soon as we can. And then we just have a bunch of information here that changes based on the release of Bibledit-Desktop. And for instance here, I've been debugging about the language files that we have, and they got to look at these unknown tags here in GTK. They're a bit of a pesky little thing. And then some debugging information also about navigational things. So you'll see that there. If you want to look at the prior log, you can show previous session, just click here, or the shutdown log. I forget what settings. Oh yeah, settings shows the XML various settings for Bibledit, but I'll go back to the main. And you see here we also have a time marker and then a line number with debugging information. Some of this doesn't have output line numbers if it's just a simple print statement. And then it gives you a time as to when this event occurred, so you can kind of get an idea of the distance of time between events that are debugged. And for programmers, anybody working on this, it's debug.h is the file that has the debug handlers in it that you can use to write out messages to this log. This information actually goes out to a file called temp bibledit.log. You can see the same information there, and that's actually helpful if Bibledit crashes. You could take and send look at that file and send it to me, and that will have a handy information in it. Perhaps if there's an abort signal, an assertion that's failed, or something of that nature, that will be listed down here generally at the bottom of the file. So that's a little introduction to debug information and system log information on Bibledit-Desktop. Hope it's helpful, and we'll see you back here for more on Bibledit-Desktop next time. Bye-bye.